I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you.
Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to RB Farms Dairy Edition here on County Line. I've got a couple things to show you guys here real quick, and then we're gonna go get out in the field. We made a little headway. We got the field plowed up and started spreading some lime. I bought a few pieces of equipment here. I got a 20-foot John Deere 220 disc and Kinsey 6-row planter. A couple nice additions. I actually bought those from a friend of mine. Those are his older equipment. Then over here in the old hay barn here, as you can already see, I bought a skid loader. We got forks and a bucket for it. That'll come in handy real soon. We'll head on over here to this garage real quick. I got a brand new roller, and well, hey, we kind of want to go out that door before we shut it, huh? All right, and then we'll go in here, and this is the most major purchase. You guys might like this one. Not this. This is borrowed. This is a friend of mine's. But this gem right here, 1996 Ford 8970 four-wheel drive super steer. We bought this on a pretty good deal, and she does pretty good. I've been spreading lime with it, and I'm sure you can see the rooftop over there. This is a friend of mine's. This is my buddy's tractor. He's the one that owns the lime spreader here. He's also the same one that I bought equipment from. This is his. We've been using it to do some disking. It's a little overkill, but you know, no problem. We were using his Ford 8000, but it had a couple little issues, so we put the 8970 on the spreader, and then brought this thing over and put it on the disc. You know, like I say, it's a little overkill, but hey, it works. And I did pick up this 20-foot cultivator. It's set up with a rear hitch, so we can run the roller right behind it, and you know, get the fields done in one pass instead of having to come in, switch implements, and then go back out. Makes life a little easier, a little more efficient. So we're gonna jump in this big girl and go over there and hook up to the disc, and head out to the field. We'll get her done.
At night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. Oh, yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. You got me like, oh, yeah, I think that we've all had enough. They know that we're calling it wrong. Hey, it's too late to try to go contain it. A generation fueled by creation. We live lives on a small screen nation. We control the airwaves, no negotiation. yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. Oh, yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're causing their bluff. You got me like, oh yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling their bluff. Hey, oh yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling their bluff. You got me like, oh.
Well, we got her all tilled up. Disc does a pretty nice job. We definitely got some stone out here, but well, we don't have a stone picker, so we're just gonna deal with it. There's a good bit out here. Maybe we'll see if we can lease one before springtime, before we start planting. But I don't think we really got to worry about it too much. So we're gonna head back in here to the shop and jump in the 8970 and get some lime put out here. Get that all done, and well, then it's just time to, I guess, wait for springtime to roll around. Alrighty, off we go. Alrighty, well, there's another load down. It's a little light in a couple spots, but I don't think we're going to worry too much with that. Field's pretty much covered, so we're going to go in here and get another load and get on this other field. Alrighty, well, that's all done, and now we're just gonna clean some equipment up here real quick, get everything parked back where it belongs, and take that fertilizer spreader back over to my buddy's place. And I think we're just gonna keep this here for right now. I don't think he really needs it over there, and we might need it over here, I don't know. Fire up the old pressure washer here. And go ahead and fold her up. I think for right now, we're just gonna let this one sit right here. Go over here, pull this one up a little closer. Go ahead and clean this thing up good. And now we'll back at the shop and give it a good once over before we take it back over. down here in the pit and look up underneath of it. Yep, everything looks good, yep, everything looks good. We're gonna take this out here by the end of the driveway. A little bit easier to hook up to it. We're gonna use the truck to take it over. I think we'll just leave it right here for right now. Go ahead and unhook it. Take this up, put it in the building. Man, if that garage ain't what dreams are made of right there, buddy. Good old Ford 8970. New Holland 9682. Only thing we're missing is my 9600. It's the only other tractor that I own, and right now it's back in my hometown. Tore apart in pieces. I was in the process of restoring it when we bought this place. One of these days I want to get back there and finish it and get it here, start using it. But for now, we're just going to deal with what we got, using a borrowed tractor and this old girl. So I guess next video we're going to be doing a little cultivating and rolling, maybe some planting, and we got a lot to come here. We're going to buy some cows hopefully once we start getting some crop in, get the silo full and start making some nice fresh organic milk. If anybody's got any opinions on what crops we ought to grow, drop them in the comments there. I kind of wanted to do something a little different other than just doing like corn and hay. I don't know, maybe sorghum or something like that. Looking more towards silage crops. I mean, we could even do wheat, oats, stuff like that. To me, those are more of like a fall, wintertime crop, though. So I'm thinking, give me some opinions on what you think would be cool to see as a springtime crop. So let me know down in the comments, and we'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.